have a collect call from a federal correctional facility. Do you accept the charges?
I accept the charges. RIKERS Prison. Josephine.
He's back, V. You gotta help me.
The worm did that to you?
He set me up.
That worm just never stops worming his way inside of your life.
You have no idea.
We need to deworm you, Josephine.
Gotta help
Get
me.
rid of his pesticides.
Wouldn't that be something? I'm calling in a shed for that one time.
How much is this going to cost me?
It's gonna cost a bit.
20,000?
40.
40,000.
This is really important.
I'll gladly pay for a deworming cure.